Hey y'all, we're going to try out this buffing wheel kit. So these are buffing wheels that you'd use on like an angle grinder if you took the safety guard off them. So different colors for different steps, right? So blue, your most coarse, followed by your orange, followed by your yellow, and then your white's kind of your finishing step. And they do give you a bunch of these buffing compounds as well. So the steps on these. Okay, so this reddish brown is your most coarse. So this is, what's it say? Yeah, 500 grit. That's pretty coarse. This black color is kind of your medium. So this is what you'd put on like the orange wheel. Now this kind of darker brown, it's getting a little less coarse. This is 1,000 grit. White is your 1,200 grit. And then your last one's your green. That's kind of your finishing. That's your 1,500 grit. So very light on this one. Okay, so to do this, I did take the washer off. We gotta take this flange off of here. Now we'll do a little before and after just with this little test piece. So here's the before. I'm not even going to descale it. We'll just put it in here. Yeah, so you can see right away, all I did was 2 steps. Had I bothered to take the scale out of this steel, it'd be incredible. But we're just doing a little test here. And you can see I did a low spot with 1 step and then the finer step. And just see how shiny it is, and it certainly smoothed it up just from that little bit I did. But yeah, if this wasn't already pitted metal, we'd be doing great. But yeah, certainly a nice cheap way to go if you just have a little angle grinder and just need to do some quick polishing. So everything you need in that kit.